Introducing Builderall, the most complete and powerful all-in-one digital marketing platform. Create businesses, bring new customers, automate, promote and sell much more with the leading digital marketing platform. Representing more than 100,000 businesses in more than 150 countries, leveraging and boosting their sales with Builderall. The only platform with over 1,000 features and 50+ tools. Build pages and websites with optimum design and performance with the most advanced builder. The fastest, most modern, and revolutionary website builder for WordPress. Capture and send unlimited campaigns including automations and funnels to scale your business. Increase registrations and sales conversions on your website by adding an innovative social proof tool. Chat with your leads on your website to boost conversion and create private channels with your team. Sell high-value items and courses live on Facebook or YouTube in real time, including chat options and plugins. Easily create courses with modern and intuitive presentations, Netflix style, and increase the perception of value and quality of your courses. Safely store and embed videos on any website with customizable tags, effects, subtitles and more. Drive traffic and engagement by adding a viral effect to your business with an exclusive content sharing tool. Improve your business's perception of value with the most advanced support tool available on the market. And much more. Builderall specializes in empowering professionals with the best digital marketing tools. All tools you need for capture and conversion. From the beginner to the most demanding expert, Builderall can be used by everyone. Click the link below this video and get started now.